Mantora Public School wishes a very happy birthday to our Honorable Directress Ma'am. Ma'am, you are an illustrious and visionary woman, a firm believer in the value of education, a generous person who always encourages us to give our best, an innovative thinker with a pleasing and fun-loving personality, an immense contributor in the development of education. On this special day, we all wish you a very happy birthday. May you have all the joy your heart can hold, all the smile a day can bring, all the blessings a life can unfold. May you get the world's best in everything. We now have our illustrious principal ma'am to wish you on your special day.
Here is a warm birthday wish for someone who has been more than nice to work with. We are thankful for your insight, wisdom, professional attitude, mentorship, and guidance. Let's celebrate your birthday with the hope that the new year in your life brings more success, strength, happiness, health, wisdom, and all other things that you have wished for. When it comes to bosses, you are far above the rest. You are an embodiment of optimism and hard work. Anyone can be a boss around, but it takes someone special to be a leader. May you remain the awesome person you have always been to this organization. This organization is booming because of you. I'm so privileged to have an opportunity to work under such an amazing leader like you. I really appreciate your trait of not giving up no matter how tough the situation is. A good boss is a treat, a better boss is a gift, but the best boss is a blessing. You are the best. Your most skilled, intelligent, and charming boss. Birthdays are perfect time to show how much we care about the people we love. We are so grateful for all the wisdom you have shared and the support and encouragement that you have imparted upon us. You are the only boss I have worked with who never bosses around. A boss like you and an employee like me, we make a smashing team. You are more than a boss to us, truly a mentor. In you, we see a true friend. Working with you will always be one of the greatest opportunities of my life. Your gentleness and sincerity have always inspired us. Your birthday, extremely punctual, just like you. It comes every year on the same day at the same time. Friends who become bosses are rare, but the bosses who become friends are rarer. Hope that your personal and professional life deservingly rises to towering heights. Wish you the best on your birthday.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
नमस्कार, मैं अन्नपूर्णा द्विवेदी मंटोरा पब्लिक स्कूल की निदेशिका श्रीमती रति गुप्ता जी के जन्म दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में एक कविता समर्पित कर रही हूँ। ये जन्मदिन है बृहत कोई साधारण नहीं, ये जन्मदिन है बृहत कोई साधारण नहीं, मन में जिसके अपार करुणा दया व प्यार, वाणी में जिसकी खुलती है सरलता मधुरता, प्राणों में जिसके बसता है अनंत प्यार, शब्दों में जिसकी ढलती है मृदु कोमलता, हृदय में जिसके बरसती है मृदुलता अपार। जन्म लिया है आपने देने को जग को विभिन्न उपहार, खुद पीड़ा में रहकर भी हरती औरों के दुख बारंबार, कष्टों को समेट स्वयं में करती रहती वो उपकार। फूलों की सुगंध से सुगंधित हो जीवन आपका, तारों की चमक से सम्मिलित हो जीवन आपका। उम्र आपकी हो सूरज जैसी, ख्याति आपकी हो रत्नाकर जैसी। शुभ दिन ये आए आपके जीवन में 1000 बार, और हम आपको जन्मदिन मुबारक कहते रहें बार बार, और हम सब आपको जन्मदिन मुबारक कहते रहें बार बार। धन्यवाद।
A hearty morning to our Honorable Directress Ma'am, Manager Sir, Principal Ma'am and my dear colleagues. As we all know that today is the most memorable day. Yes, the birthday of our exemplary Directress Ma'am. My heartiest wishes to you, ma'am. Now, on this day, I would like to say few words. Ma'am, really you are a fountain of knowledge, a source of inspiration for all of us. I feel that it's my privilege to work under your valuable guidance. So, on this day, I would like to recite a poem dedicated to you. Another year has passed, your birthday is here. May this year brings joy, 12 months you hold dear. Follow your true bliss, achieve all you can. Dream the good dream, create a new plan. This year will be great, this I wish for you. You deserve all you can. May your all dreams come true. With this, I am signing off. Once again, a heartiest birthday to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Mrs. Rati Gupta, our directress, has been a force to be reckoned with. Her guidance and leadership have allowed Mentora Public School to reach new heights. Had it not been for her, the task of running this school would have been infinitely difficult. On the behalf of the Mentora family, I would like to wish Director Ma'am a very happy birthday. All of us at Mentora pray for her continued health and well-being.
Warm wishes to the Directress Ma'am on this great day that is her birthday. Dear Ma'am, you are a great person who supports and encourages all of us. We all are grateful to have a mentor like you, Ma'am, who always treats everyone with love and affection. It is an honor and a pleasure for all of us to work under your guidance. You have such a kind and generous soul. So, we the students consider you as our source of inspiration. Dear Ma'am, I extend my best wishes to you on your birthday and pray to God that you should be blessed with all luck and prosperity in life. Thank you.
A very fresh and cheerful morning to all my viewers. Today I, Piyush Pandey, Cultural Coordinator of the school, is here to wish our elegant lady directress, ma'am. First of all, a very happy returns for the day to you, ma'am. Now, may you achieve what you want. You provided us such a brilliant platform to learn more, do more, and achieve more. You are role model for the students. I started journey in this school in class first. Now I'm in 11th standard. We and I especially learned a lot from you. Your gratitude of attitude is brilliant, and I learned many things from you. And you provided us that platform and provided us that facilities, that infrastructure, that each and everything which we want. We actually support you, we actually love your efforts, and at last I would like to say, may you achieve what you want. Have a smile on your face ever. I say a very happy birthday you, ma'am. Thank you.
We once again wish you a day filled with happiness and an year filled with joy. A very happy birthday, ma'am.